Would you rather have a nose that honks when you touch it, or ears that flap when you're excited?
Both.
Ooh.
I want both.
Wow.
I'm gonna be both of those.
No.
Can you imagine if
I'm taking the nose that honks. Is this the nose?
That's the nose.
I want flappy ears.
No, I'm taking that nose.
Why wouldn't you want flappy ears?
Cause I can't tell. Listen, it's too much. It's just too much. Cause I'm an excited guy. just all day.
All the time you'd be flapping away. I love that.
Funny.
Can I hear what the honk would sound like if you touched it?
No, you can't.